Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Debobruta here this time. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to generate QR code in Excel using VBA code. I already wrote VBA code in this macro Excel file and I connected the function in this button. So now in A column, I added some values like SKU value of the product, simple text, email and different language value. This is the link and this is an emoji. So now if I click on this button, my VBA code will start running and it will generate the QR codes. Okay, now I got the message that successfully all QR codes are created. Okay, let's see the result. So now you see these are the QR codes which all are created automatically when I pressed on this button. So now we should check if these QR codes are created correctly or not. So just to do this, I will take a screenshot. Okay, let's save it. I will check it with Google Lens. Let's upload the file. I will select this screenshot. Okay. Okay, let's select this one. It should show the result. Not showing. Okay, it show the result now. Yeah, it is showing the SKU value. I will just place it in different QR code. It should show, yeah, it is showing a different value. If I place here, it should result differently. Yeah, it is showing the email. Here I think it should show different value. Yeah, it is showing the different language something. It means it is working perfectly. So if you want the source code or this Excel file, just comment below. If you find this video helpful, just comment below. And okay, I'll show you the source code or the VBA code I wrote. It is like this. Here's all the codes I wrote. Yeah, if you need this source code, just comment below. I will give you. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.